So I'm going to do spark plugs here on a 4.3 GM motor. This is actually a Bravada all-wheel drive. I jacked it all up, took the wheel off. A little simple here. So what I ended up doing, I used the spark plug socket and a crow's foot got it loose for me. It was a pain in the butt a little bit at first. I couldn't get no wrenches in there. And who runs a frickin' brake line like this? Some guys talked about taking this off, but it must be a 10mm bolt is what I seen on the internet. But I didn't go that route. I just took the tire off real quick, and this is the hardest one, number 3. So I think that's 10s, all the GM 4.3s. Maybe the 4.3s in the big truck, like the 1500s, I think they put a couple of those in there. Maybe you got more room versus you do in these little trucks, but it works all right. This one's coming out nice and slow. Then I'll put it all back on there, and I'll do the rest, and I'll send a little string down to fish each spark plug wire up. You know, I went with some AC Delco iridiums. These are OEM replacements here and stuff, these ones. At least they should be. I hope so. We'll find out in a little bit. But when you're putting your spark plugs in there, you know, remember, I'm sure you guys all know, but put the anti-seize in each spark plug. I shot it with a little penetrator because I was trying with a wrench at first, and I started around the spark plug just a little bit, which that would have sucked if it got stuck in there. I'd had to get a monkey wrench, pipe wrench up in there or something. That would have blew cheeks. But yeah, man, that's my little hack. You know, a lot of people done this. This is a old hack, so there's a lot better videos, but that's all I was doing. Like I said, 19mm on this particular spark plug socket, and it's coming off just fine. Nice and slow. I got nothing but time. I ain't got to work till tomorrow night. So that's all we're doing. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later.